going on, you guys? Today I got another YouTube video to do. It is of an ASIS EU stamped mask. These are the masks that they would have used for Scream 3, and also they would have used the red tag as well. Last week's video I said that I didn't know what kind of Ghostface mask that was. I noticed that the tag was on the outside of the shroud, so I suspected that it would have been a red tag Ghostface. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Here's the box. The other side has my address on it, so. By the way, I don't just have ASIS masks coming in, I do have a couple of other ones as well. Like spoof masks and everything like that. So, it's not strictly just Scream. Look at that. Close my knife so that I don't kill myself. There he is. Very nice packaging. I got this on eBay, suspecting it was an ASIS, and I think I was right. Easter Limited, same tag as before. Get you guys a better view of that. Easter Unlimited ink, made in China. I did feel something in here that was different, but I think that was just me. You guys look at the tag. Just your basic Fun World Div, Easter Unlimited ink, where it was manufactured and everything like that. This mask does glow, but yeah, nice to have another Ghostface mask in the collection, and this will fit nicely with the rest. So if you guys like this video, obviously like it, hit the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram at TheHorrorFreakTV and TikTok HalloweenMan_78, and I'll see you guys in the next one.